This is the complete guide to Fathom AI, the meeting recorder used by over 1 million people that is completely free with no usage limit, no credit card, and no catch. By the end of this video you will know exactly how Fathom works, how the live highlights feature changes how you participate in meetings, how the AI summary and action items are structured, how Fathom compares to Otter, Fireflies, and Zoom AI, every pricing plan, and the real workflows professionals are running with Fathom right now. Let us get into it. Fathom AI is a meeting recorder founded in 2020 and backed by Y Combinator. It is used by over 1 million professionals globally. The platform records your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls automatically, transcribes every word in real time with speaker identification, and delivers a structured AI summary with action items the moment the call ends. What makes Fathom different from every other tool in this space is the free plan, and it needs to be said clearly, the free plan is genuinely unlimited. Unlimited recordings, unlimited transcription, unlimited summaries, unlimited action items. Not a trial. Not time limited. Not a reduced feature set. Free forever with no credit card required. The other standout feature is live highlights. You press a single key during any meeting to bookmark a moment in real time, and those moments are instantly clipped and shareable after the call. Let me walk through every major Fathom feature. Auto recording. Fathom connects to your calendar and joins every meeting automatically. No manual start. No forgetting to record. Live transcript. Every word is transcribed in real time with speaker identification. Live highlights, the defining Fathom feature. During any call, press a key to bookmark the moment. It is timestamped instantly and becomes a clip after the meeting. AI summary. The moment your call ends, Fathom produces a structured summary, not a wall of text, but organized sections covering key points, decisions, and next steps. Action items. Tasks mentioned in the meeting are extracted and attributed to the speaker who owns them. Clips. Any highlight becomes a shareable short video link in one click, no editing, no export, no download. Playlists. Organize clips into themed collections for sales coaching, onboarding, or sharing. And CRM sync. On paid plans, call notes and action items push to Salesforce or HubSpot automatically. Live highlights are what Fathom users consistently say changes how they show up in meetings. During any call, you press a single key, no typing, no switching windows. The moment is timestamped silently in the background. Other participants cannot see or hear you doing it. After the call, every highlighted moment has automatically become a short shareable video. You paste a link and the recipient watches it in their browser, no login, no download required. For teams, highlights replace the need to rewatch full call recordings. Sales managers build playlists of rep call moments for coaching sessions. Customer success managers send clients the exact timestamp where they requested a feature or approved a decision. And product managers clip customer insight moments to share with their engineering team. The playlist builder lets you organize highlights by topic, deal, or team member into structured collections you can review or share asynchronously. Here is how to get Fathom running in under 5 minutes. Step 1. Go to fathom.video and create a free account. Google or email login, free forever, no card required. Step 2. Connect your calendar. Link your Google or Outlook calendar and Fathom reads your upcoming meetings automatically. Step 3. Install the browser extension for Chrome or Firefox. This enables live highlighting during calls. Takes 30 seconds. Step 4. Connect your meeting platform. Authorize Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams. Fathom will appear as a participant in your next scheduled call. Step 5. Run your next meeting as normal. No trigger needed. Press your highlight key during the call to bookmark key moments. Step 6. Review your AI summary and action items. They appear in your Fathom dashboard within seconds of the call ending. Step 7. Share clips with one click or copy action items directly into Notion, Slack, or your CRM. For sales teams, Fathom eliminates post-call admin entirely. Step 1. Fathom joins every call automatically. The rep does not touch a record button and the prospect installs nothing. Step 2. During the call, the rep highlights key moments with one key press. Objections, pain points, next steps, and buying signals are all bookmarked live. Step 3. The call ends and the AI summary and action items are ready in seconds. No CRM data entry, no post-call write-up, the output is already structured. Step 4. On paid plans, the summary pushes to Salesforce or HubSpot automatically, synced to the contact and deal record. Step 5. The rep shares a clip of the key buying moment with their manager. One link, the manager hears the prospect's words without re-listening to a full recording. Step 6. The manager reviews highlight playlists across the team. Objection patterns, close attempts, and discovery quality without listening to full calls. Step 7. The follow-up email is drafted from the action items and sent in minutes rather than hours after the call. Fathom and Otter AI are the two most compared tools in this category. Here is the honest breakdown. Fathom wins on price. It is completely free with no usage limit. Otter's free plan caps at 300 minutes per month. Fathom also wins on live highlights. The one keypress clip feature has no equivalent in Otter. The post-call summary format in Fathom is cleaner and more immediately usable. And for sales teams focused on clip sharing and coaching, Fathom is the better tool. Otter wins on cross-meeting search. You can search across months of transcripts for any word, topic, or speaker. Fathom does not have this capability. Otter also has a deeper integration list, Zapier, Autopost to Slack, Notion export. And for organizations that need a searchable, archivable transcript database, Otter is the stronger choice. The honest verdict: start with Fathom for the free plan and live highlights. Add Otter if cross-meeting search across a large archive becomes a real need. Here is how different roles inside an organization use Fathom. Sales teams use it to eliminate post-call admin, CRM updated, follow-up drafted, coaching clips ready, all without manual work. Customer success managers use Fathom to track client commitments meeting by meeting and share exact moments with colleagues when context needs to be transferred. Recruiting teams get searchable candidate interview transcripts and a consistent record for every evaluation. Product managers clip specific customer insight moments and share them with engineering, the exact words, not a paraphrased summary. Leadership teams review highlight playlists from one-on-ones without listening to full recordings. Marketing uses customer language clipped directly from calls for positioning and messaging work. And in regulated industries, Fathom provides accurate, time-stamped call records for legal and compliance documentation. The AI summary is one of Fathom's strongest features and worth understanding in detail. First, the format. Fathom does not produce a wall of text. The output is structured into sections, key points, decisions, action items, and next steps organized automatically based on meeting content. Key decisions are clearly surfaced rather than buried inside a general narrative. Action items are extracted with owner attribution. Fathom identifies who committed to what. Every item includes a time-stamped reference back to the exact moment in the recording. Different summary templates exist for different meeting types. Sales calls, team stand-ups, one-on-ones, and interviews each produce different structured formats. The output language is already clean enough to paste directly into an email or Slack message. Every summary is indexed so you can search across past meetings. And any summary can be shared as a link. The recipient reads it in their browser without needing a Fathom account. Who is Fathom AI for? Sales reps and account executives are the highest value use case. Zero post-call admin, CRM sync on paid plans, and clip-based coaching. Customer success managers use Fathom to track client commitments across meetings and never lose the context of what was promised. Recruiters and HR teams get a consistent, accurate record of every candidate interview that is searchable and shareable. Product managers clip specific customer insight moments to share with engineering without losing the original context in translation. Consultants and freelancers use Fathom to maintain accurate client call records and build meeting notes without manual note-taking during billable hours. Managers use highlight playlists to coach their teams without listening to full recordings. And students and researchers use Fathom for interview and lecture capture with structured summaries they can reference and search later. Here is what professionals are actually doing with Fathom right now. Sales reps are ending a call and having the CRM updated and the follow-up drafted before their next meeting begins. Founders are sending clients a single clip of the moment they agreed to a scope or decision, one link, the exact words, no re-explanation needed. Recruiters are searching a specific phrase across 80 candidate interviews in 10 seconds. Customer success managers are building highlight playlists of renewal pain points and sharing them directly with the product team. Consultants are proving scope creep by sharing the exact timestamp where the client first expanded the brief. Managers are reviewing 5 rep calls in 20 minutes using highlight playlists instead of sitting through full recordings. Marketing teams are extracting verbatim customer quotes from discovery calls for use in positioning, copy, and messaging work. And remote teams are sending a Fathom transcript link instead of scheduling a follow-up meeting just to recap what was decided. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Otter AI, Fathom is truly unlimited on the free plan. Otter caps at 300 minutes free. Otter leads on cross-meeting AI search across transcript archives. Versus Fireflies, Fathom has live highlights and a more generous free tier. Fireflies has deeper CRM automation and a broader integration list. Versus Zoom AI, Fathom works across Zoom, Meet, and Teams without platform lock-in. Zoom AI is more deeply integrated with Zoom's native features and clips. Versus Notion AI, Fathom auto-joins calls and captures live. Notion AI is stronger for turning meeting notes into structured knowledge-based content. Versus Gong, Fathom is free for individuals and small teams. Gong has far deeper revenue intelligence, call scoring, and enterprise sales analytics. Versus Microsoft Copilot, Fathom is platform agnostic. Copilot is more deeply embedded inside Microsoft Teams and the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. The honest summary: Fathom is the best choice for any individual or small team that wants a genuinely unlimited free meeting recorder with live highlighting. For enterprise revenue intelligence or cross-meeting search, other tools lead. 8 tips that make Fathom significantly more useful from day one. 1. Use all 4 highlight types: question, pain, next step, and decision. Different types surface in different sections of the AI summary automatically. 2. Highlight early in the call. The first 2 minutes of context setting are often the most valuable moments to clip. 3. Send a clip instead of a meeting recap email. The recipient hears the original words and never loses context in translation. 4. Build one playlist per active deal or topic and share it with your team. This replaces full recording reviews entirely. 5. Paste action items straight into the Slack thread for the meeting immediately after the call. 6. On paid plans, add your product names, technical terms, and acronyms to custom vocabulary. It eliminates transcription errors on your most important words. 7. Pick the right summary template before the call begins. Sales call, team meeting, one-on-one. The output structure improves significantly. 8. Share the Fathom summary link instead of writing meeting notes. It replaces an email, a document, and a follow-up all at once. Fathom pricing. The free plan deserves to be restated clearly. It is unlimited recordings, unlimited transcription, unlimited AI summaries, unlimited action items, unlimited clips, and unlimited playlists. Not a trial. Not a limited version. Free forever with no credit card. This is genuinely the most generous free plan in the meeting AI space. Premium is $19 a month. It adds CRM sync with Salesforce and HubSpot, custom vocabulary for accurate transcription of your product and technical terms, and access to advanced AI summary formats. Team is $29 a month, a shared team workspace, shared highlight playlists, and an admin dashboard. Enterprise is custom-priced, single sign-on, audit logs, compliance features, and a dedicated support contact. My recommendation: start free and stay free as long as it serves you. Upgrade to premium when CRM sync saves more time than the cost. Upgrade to team when your whole team needs shared workspaces and coaching playlists. Here is everything you need. Start at Fathom.video, free forever, no credit card, unlimited from day one. Upgrade to premium at $19 when you need CRM sync and custom vocabulary, both plans at Fathom.video/pricing. Upgrade to team at $29 when you need shared workspaces and coaching playlists. If you need cross-meeting AI search across a large transcript archive, Otter AI at Otter.ai is worth comparing. Link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what Fathom can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go set it up before your next meeting. It takes 3 minutes. See you in the next one.